It's a hard knock life in Squirrel Kingdom, especially when it's below freezing. Hey, check out this little guy here. He's raiding the bird feeders. I will admit I'm impressed with the power to weight ratio of squirrels. Man, it would be terrific to have this guy's grip string. Check him out. Before this guy rolled up on here, there was a ton of birds noshing, as they're wont to do. He ran them all off. So I guess they're out there nearby reconning, waiting for this guy to get his fill. Guess as soon as he's done chowing down, they'll all come back. The squirrel's hardcore too. He even reached down and went for the suet. Sometimes that stuff goes begging. Nice to know somebody out there is eating it. Well, I hope this short little clip brought a little smile to your day. Have a good one, everybody.